Hey, how is it going, everybody? So, welcome to the YouTube channel of Petroleum from Scratch. I am Jaiyesh Char, and this is Statistics for Energy Engineers playlist. So, in our previous video, we discussed about population and sample and some different types of sampling technique. So moving on forward, in this video, we are going to discuss about the different types of data that we receive. Basically, we are going to be a data analyst or data science, so data scientist. So we will be dealing with data, right? So there are some different types of data in which we categorize our data type. So that we are going to discuss in this video. So let's start our discussion. So basically, there are mainly two types of data, or data you can say variables. Two type of data variables. Right. So these two types of data variables that are present in any given data is categorical data, and other one is your numerical data. As the name is suggesting, in categorical data there will be different types of categories, right? Example is your type of lithology. If we are working on a reservoir core sample, so what is the type of that particular lithology? Types of lithology, right? It can be limestone, it can be sandstone, or it can be shale or salt or anything, right? Other example is your gender, whether a particular person is male or female. So this type of data, if we have, that comes in categorical data, male, female. In numerical data, basically we are dealing with numbers. So again, it has further subcategories: discrete data, or your continuous data. In discrete data, whole numbers data will be present in form of whole numbers. One of the example is total number of people in a family. Number of people in family. In continuous data or continuous numerical data, numbers can be present in any form, that they can have decimals also. Example is your oil production. Oil production can take any value, right? It can be 300.56 barrels per day or 420.89 barrel per day. So these are not discrete points, right? These are continuous point in a given range. That, for example, oil production is can have any data in between 150 to 450 barrel per day. It can be numerical as well as can have decimals also. So these are some of the example of your categorical data and numerical data. Now coming on forward, uh, one more some more examples of your categorical data are weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So these are example of your categorical data. And when we are dealing with this type of categorical data, depending on the use case, that we have to solve, we can convert into numerical data also, because our computer or machine understands only numericals, right? It doesn't understand Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and complete strings. So depending on the use case, it can be converted into numerical data. And there are various techniques for converting them into numerical data. We can do one hot encoding, or we can just convert them into 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, which type of conversion we have to use, that will be dependent on your use case. So these are basically two types of data that we have. More types. There are two more types that are, first is your nominal data. So basically nominal data doesn't have any order. No order. For examples, again, here can be these weekdays, because they doesn't have any order, right? We cannot say that Monday is more important than Tuesday or Wednesday. All the days are equally important, right? So not any order is not present here, or you can say rank is not important in nominal data. Rank is not important. And also this lithology will also come inside nominal data only, because there again, whether it is limestone, sandstone, or shale, rank is not important there, right? Each one of them, each one of the lithology is equally important. We cannot assign that, okay, sandstone is more important or limestone is more important. So this comes inside your nominal data. The second one is your ordinal data. Here your rank is important. There is a order within the data, or you can say can be ordered. Example for this are rank of students in a class, or your degree of education can also come inside it. For example, if you are posting some job for your company, you want to hire a candidate, so depending on their degree of education will have a kind of ranking scenario, right? You will prefer a master's or PhD student more than a bachelor student, right? So degree of education also comes inside your ordinal data. So all these statistics is very important in your exploratory data analysis stage of data science project. That's why we are discussing all these things, right? So these are the types of data. In the next lecture, we will be discussing about our measure of central tendencies, that is basically mean, median, and mode. So have a good day. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.